Think the iPhone Files app is just for storing documents? Think again. It has 2 hidden features that can save you time every single day. Let's check them out. Feature 1. Remove background. First, open the Files app and find any image. Press and hold the image, then tap Quick Actions and choose Remove Background. In just a second, your iPhone automatically removes the background without using any third-party app. The new image is saved as a transparent PNG, perfect for thumbnails, logos, or social media posts. Feature 2. Document Scan. Next, you can scan documents directly from the Files app. Open Files, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, then select Scan Documents. Point your camera at the document, and your iPhone automatically detects the edges. Save it as a high-quality PDF that's ready to share or upload. Which feature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden iPhone tips.